Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 26th of May. Starting off with the cloud tag, where you can see there's been this basing and then the breakout through the former initial April resistance. That was around the 3.4 pence level, and while we're above that, or at least while we're above that, we're looking for considerable upside here, possibly as high as last year's resistance line projection is at 6.5 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. In the meantime, any dips towards the 3 pence zone regarded as a buying opportunity, with only back below the 50-day moving average at 2.72 pence. The blue line there really delaying or questioning the buy argument. Next up, a stock which has been requested by a Twitter follower, European Metals. Pulled back quite a long way from the best levels of last month. Looks as though support would come in either at the floor of this gap around 11 pence or down towards, say, 10.5 pence, which is this uptrend line from February. Might already have actually bottomed out if we're lucky. Probably the best thing to do here is wait for an end-of-day close back above the 20-day moving average, 13.4 pence, before targeting 20 pence plus, which is this resistance line projection from the beginning of the year. On to Frontera. We're hoping that we're still in. We're going to maintain this falling wedge formation. Slightly high low for the end of May versus the initial 0.27 pence floor, and while we're above that initial May floor, looking for a breakout through 0.4 pence and possibly up to 0.6 pence, the area of the 200-day moving average, over the next 1 to 2 months. This is also looking better given the much higher low in the RSI window as well that we've had with the better prices towards the end of this month. Infrastrata is next, and situation here is that we've had the recovery, a decent recovery already. Here you can see that we broke the 200-day moving average early last month, and we found support either at or just below it ever since. 1.94 is the area of the 200-day moving average, or the level at the moment, and while we hold above that, we're looking for as high as 4.5 pence, which would be the top of, or is the top of this rising trend channel from last summer. Be cautious on the shares, maybe wait for a clearance of the 2.6 pence initial May resistance. We had a failed attempt yesterday, but looking for that over the next few sessions, and that would then hopefully propel the stock onto the 4.5 pence zone. Mariana Resources, worth taking a look at again. Here we've got the runaway move to the upside. Still looking for 5.5 pence at the top of this rising trend channel from April last year, and only really sustained price action back below 3 pence, delaying the upside scenario. On to Savannah Resources, stock in the news at the moment. Here we've got this, looks like a bull flag consolidation, mid-move consolidation above the 20-day moving average at 3.15 pence, and at least while we're above 3 pence, looking for further significant gains as high as 7 pence over the next 2 to 3 months. And if you're cautious, though, wait for a clearance of the 3.75 pence initial May peak. But the bounce of this RSI uptrend line from December that we've had this week looks encouraging and could trigger fresh gains. Finishing off with Extract Resources, where we've been waiting rather longer than we would have hoped for a retest of the best levels that were seen last year towards the 0.5 pence level. Best way forward here is really to wait for an end-of-day close or a weekly close above the 200-day moving average at 0.2 pence. Some support coming in above the 50-day moving average at 0.17 pence, and that is encouraging. But really, we're in neutral mode, and we need to break that 200-day line relatively quickly now. Otherwise, it's just going to be the same drift that we've had really since the beginning of the year. Target at the moment, rather academic, but looks like there's a resistance line there from July heading to 0.4 pence. But this is all about really breaking that 200-day line. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.